What if I told you there was a time when nothing existed? No space, no stars, no time, not even reality itself. Just nothing. And then from absolutely nothing, the entire universe suddenly exploded into existence. Sounds impossible? Let's find out how it really happened. Scientists call it the Big Bang, but it wasn't an explosion in space. It was the explosion of space itself. Every bit of matter, every atom, every planet, every galaxy, all started as a single, tiny, incredibly hot point. How tiny? Smaller than an atom, yet holding the energy of the entire universe. Sounds crazy, right? But here's the wild part. The laws of physics, the rules that control everything, simply stopped working at that moment. So what caused it? Was it quantum energy, a divine spark, or something beyond our understanding? No one truly knows. But one thing's certain, that tiny flash of creation started everything. Time, space, and the story of us. And what happened next was even more mind-blowing. Because the universe didn't stop there. It began to grow, and fast. Right after the Big Bang, the universe grew faster than the speed of light. In less than a blink, a trillionth of a second, it went from smaller than an atom to the size of a galaxy. This amazing moment is called cosmic inflation, the fastest growth in history. Think of it like blowing up a balloon, but instead of seconds, it happens instantly. That's how the universe expanded, stretching space itself. As the universe expanded, it cooled down. Energy turned into tiny particles, protons, neutrons, and electrons, the first building blocks of everything, stars, planets, and even you. Here's something mind-blowing. If inflation had lasted just a little longer, or a little shorter, the universe might never have formed at all. So what stopped this wild growth? Something mysterious slowed it down and shaped everything that came next. And what happened after that changed the universe forever. For nearly 400,000 years, the universe was completely dark. It was filled with hot, glowing plasma, and light couldn't travel. It just bounced around. Then, something amazing happened. The universe cooled enough for atoms to form, mostly hydrogen and helium. And finally, light could travel freely. This was the moment of first light, called the cosmic microwave background. We can still see that light today. It's like a baby photo of the universe, captured in microwave radiation. Astronomers study it to learn what happened in those first moments, and it tells us something incredible. The universe was smooth, uniform, and full of possibilities. But here's the twist. Tiny ripples in that first light eventually became stars, galaxies, and everything we see in the universe today. What these tiny ripples grew into will blow your mind. Wait till you see what came next. After the Big Bang, the universe wasn't empty. Those tiny ripples in early light became the seeds of everything we see today. Gravity started pulling the gas together, tighter and tighter, until the first stars were born. These stars were monsters, much bigger and hotter than our sun. They lived fast, died young, and burned brightly for only a few million years before exploding as supernovas. Those explosions scattered heavy elements, like carbon, oxygen, and iron, across space. And from that cosmic dust, new stars began to form. Then stars grouped together, creating massive families called galaxies. Each galaxy became like a glowing city made of billions of stars, including our home, the Milky Way. It's beautiful to think about. From chaos came beauty. From explosions came creation. And from the ashes of dying stars came us. But the story doesn't end there. Billions of years later, the universe faced a new question. Is the universe still expanding, or will it end someday? That's where the story gets mysterious. The universe is still expanding, and faster than ever. Why? Scientists believe a mysterious force called dark energy is pushing galaxies apart. We can't see it, we can't touch it, but it's pushing everything apart. Billions of years from now, galaxies will be so far apart that their light will never reach us. Stars will fade out, black holes will disappear, and the universe will become a cold, silent place, a cosmic ghost town. Or maybe something even stranger will happen. Some scientists believe the universe could one day collapse in a big crunch, shrinking back into nothing, just like it began. Others say it could tear itself apart in a big rip, where even atoms break apart. No one knows for sure how it will end. Either way, everything we know had a beginning and might have an end. But one thing is certain, everything in you, every atom, every spark, was once part of that first explosion of creation, and it all began with one tiny spark that became everything. The story of the universe is not over. We're still living it. Hit subscribe and keep exploring the wonders of science with Simple Science Studio.